All right, so here's one that will bring some justice to all of us, because every single one of us, at least in the United States, I'm sure, has been impacted by this injustice at one time or another. And it looks like there's finally going to be some justice in this world. I'm thrilled. I know you are too. A judge is allowing a McFlurry machine repair lawsuit to proceed. The McFlurry machines are constantly broken. Someone is trying to fix it. Someone's trying to stop them from fixing it. A judge is allowing the McFlurry machine repair lawsuit to continue. Maybe we will get our McFlurries at last. Maybe we will get our McFlurries at last. Let's read some more. The McDonald's McFlurry is a delicious treat that people have a hard time finding because the machine breaks down all the time. Yeah. Thanks to a third-party device made by an independent company called Kitch, the machines can be made easier to maintain and will break down less. That sounds great. Taylor, the company that makes the McFlurry machine, has been engaged in a long-running legal dispute about whether Taylor could prevent the devices from being used on the machines. So the people who make the machines don't want them to break down less because they are the ones that repair them. Now, why McDonald's agreed to this deal in the first place is beyond me. Because one would think that they could, McDonald's has enough power to find someone who can make machines that don't break down all the time. But they've tied themselves into this deal for whatever reason, and, it's creating problems. When the machine would break down, only a certified Taylor technician could get it going again. That's why it can be so hard to find McFlurries. The machines often break down and a tech has to be dispatched to get them again. Kitch invented a device that allows McDonald's franchise owners to do basic repairs on the machine and get them up and running again. Huzzah! That solves the problem, but of course it cuts Taylor out of the equation, so they're not so thrilled. Taylor doesn't like that, and according to the lawsuit filed by Kitch, started telling its franchise partners that the devices could cause serious human injury. Well, if the human injury is I can afford one less yacht, then I guess, but I'm not so sure how serious that is. In July 2021, Kitch filed a restraining order against Taylor, claiming the company had stolen Kitch's trade secrets. Taylor had begun selling a device similar to Kitch's, and Kitch has alleged that Taylor stole one of their devices and reverse engineered it. Taylor pushed back on the allegations of the lawsuit, filing a motion to dismiss for the request for the restraining order. In court documents filed on August 26, 2022, a judge allowed the Kitch restraining order to proceed. In its original filing, Kitch alleged 10 different claims against Taylor, including that it had falsely advertised its product and engaged in unfair competition. The court rejects Taylor's arguments and overrules its motion to dismiss on those grounds. Does this mean it will be easier to get McFlurries in the future? Maybe not for a while. The battle between Kitch and Taylor will continue, but Kitch has won an important legal battle. When Kitch filed its restraining order in 2021, Taylor was supposed to turn over all the allegedly reversed engineered devices within 24 hours. Kitch has struggled to keep its own version of the device in the hands of customers since Taylor told McFlurry machine owners it could be dangerous. The end result of this fight for McFlurry enjoinder is the machines will keep breaking down and someone will be scared to use the Kitch device. That means we could be waiting for the golden age of on-demand McFlurry ice cream machines just a little bit longer. Well, justice will come one day, my friends. Justice will come. And then it will be McFlurries for us all. That will be joyous. Thus, that brings us to the end of the story about the judge who was allowing the McFlurry machine lawsuit to continue. So maybe we will finally get our frozen treats. And that will be good. And it seems that the people who make the machine don't want someone else repairing it because it takes away their service contracts, which makes them very sad. And so, but the other companies like, we should be allowed to sell this product because people have a right to repair their own thing. And, our product works and they're trying to rip us off. So the lawsuit is continuing, at least for the moment. So maybe McFlurries are in our golden future. But at least for the moment, that brings us to the end of discussion of this case.